Hello viewers, I am mezanroshan from Italy for Globbal Tv. Around £120,000 has been raised in memory of a young hero who died protecting a grandmother from a knife man in West London. Abukar Ali, aged 20, was stabbed to death by a stranger after he came in to help 82 years old Betty Walsh. The widow was beaten with a knife outside a kebab shop near her home. The incident occurred 2 days before. Today is 17 November 2021. Basketball coach Ali lapsed in Albany Parade, Brentford on Friday evening. Mrs. Walsh, a mother of 6, was seriously injured but is no longer in critical condition after kidney surgery. Norris Henry, 37, of Brentford, is due to appear before Uxbridge Magistrates Court on charges of Ali's murder and the attempted murder of Mrs. Walsh. On a GoFundMe, a page created 2 days ago for Ali's family, Marie and James Walsh wrote, "The boy is a hero. He died trying to save our mother." An 18-year-old family friend posting live spelling the name of the Arsenal fan said, "A few weeks ago, he posted a snapshot that he wants to build a mosque until 2030. Now he is not around to do this. We will complete it for him. Something good for the local area that everyone can come to. I have known him since I was knee-high. His family has broken up. Everyone knows. All we can do is be the nice message to them and help them in any way we can." Gary Davis has said, the friend added, "Ali was the most humble guy. He always had a smile on his face. He would coach a lot of younger kids. Even during lockdown, when the gym were closed, he would take them to park. He just got his driving license and he was so excited to offer everyone lift. I'm not surprised he tried to help. He's a very kind person. It would not matter whether they are young, old, black or white. It is who he is. He was always there to put himself forward to help people who are going through difficult times." Bye for now. Till next. Take care.